Hey guys, the stressful time is going to start actually. Uh, Virtual learning. My kid is going to start its remote learning on what to say Monday, and the preparations are going on. I don't know where I'm going to set up his place. They said they need a quiet place for him. It's literally like the instructions as they gave is like literally we have to get ready him, and instead of sending him to the bus stop or sending him to the school, we have to give him a place where he can sit quietly and concentrate. So just now my husband went to the school to get the supplies. We got a mail yesterday, and so only today they are giving the supplies, I think. I'm sorry, the light is getting dim. Remote learning with our personal laptops. So I bought some precautions like anti-glare screen protector and some keyboard protector, but I'll show you what they gave. This is the first one. Actually it has some blocks and dry erase pen like green and blue and something. I think this is for math, so they can easily, I think he's going second grade, so I think for multiplication and addition and subtraction they will, I know first graders will already must have already learned that addition and subtraction, but this time I think they will three digit carry over addition and borrowing subtraction, like that. I think that's, and some construction papers. I think these are the supplies they have given as of now. Maybe they must ask after some time, I think, maybe. And some performance task module like this, second grade module, and education grade 2 lab module 1 to 4 student workbook. I think they are prepared for this situation, I think so. And student like second grade module 1 to 2 student workbook. And another one, envision mathematics. Nice. That's good actually. They have this is for first semester, I think so. Maybe they will give more supplies when for second and third semesters. I think this is as of December, I think. And a dry erase board, so they can ask to write, and I think we have to get some dry eraser, I think. And the most important thing is they have given iPad. Obviously we have to return it, it's a school's property. iPad with charger. When I was searching for how to be prepared or what type of environment they need, they said we have to give them a separate space, and if it's like a dining table or like a hall, if you are giving a small portion of the space, it should be permanent and it should be standard. We should not keep changing every time, like one day here, one day there. No, it should be quiet, it should be secluded, and it's exactly like same how they behave in the school. If you need water, you have to ask them. If you need to go to a recess time, you need to ask in between the hours, and they have given a perfect schedule for you, and they have mailed me. I have to take a printout. Usually we will have our lunch by 1:30 to here. I think by 12:30 he has to finish his lunch, and till 2:20 he has a school and he has to stay online. That means the camera should be on till from 8 to 2:20, and no one should disturb him. I'm worried that my younger one is naughty one. You all must have known by now. He's a naughty one. I have to give him a separate room for schooling. I think maybe I'll prepare a table for him, a study table. So I will show you all in the video. Let's get ready for the table. I think I need to purchase some more things for his virtual learning in Dollar Tree, a water bottle, or maybe Dollar Tree or Five Below. I think I have to give him a water bottle so it doesn't move when he needs to drink water. And I'm tensed and confused. Let's see. I already have a headphone for him, but still it's an iPad, so I have to give him a different one. I think I'll see to it. And the next thing what they said is not in my instruction when I googled it for how to be prepared, like give them a basket so they can keep all these supplies in that, like with pencil or like eraser, everything whatever they need, keep in the basket and keep it in the place where they are going to do their work, even your iPad. Otherwise, if it is roaming around in your home, you'll get lost and you have to give it back. That's that. So to get him some supplies, we went for Dollar Tree. I got two books, one for Vijay and another for Vishal. So to keep him engaged, it's a composition note from Dollar Tree, and I have a habit to grab whatever I can from Dollar Tree. So I got some matchsticks. I am running out of it. I didn't find dry eraser, so I got some baby towels for dry erase, and crayon, 2 pack of crayon for him, and cotton buds, swabs. I got 2 pack of crayons, one for as usual for Vijay and Vishal, because I have to keep him engaged. Then some glue sticks, so he has art class also. So this is for me, roller pen. I am working on a planner. This is some batteries, I got a silicone whisk for some mixing some small things like egg, and a small spatula to scrape around the blender. I got this to grate ginger. I already had one, but that's all gone, so I got a new one. And a tea strainer. I always get tea strainer in Dollar Tree. It's good. This is quick fix, actually, like instant glue, we'll say, right? Super bond glue, liquid one. That strainer doesn't rust, guys. You can get one. And this is for electronic duster. It's a air spray, so you can clean in between the computer keys. And the other one is wire brush for cleaning. I just want to clean my table. The kids are messed with playing with the dough. And I found a gem. This is stove scraper. I usually got in Walmart, and this time I found 4 for $1 in Dollar Tree, so I got one. As I said, some batteries and I got some wall putty, so whenever we poke some holes to fill in that, I got this one. We can use it for the tubs that leaks, and this is the felt. We can stick it around under the chair legs or table legs. 60 pieces for $1, it's a good deal, I would say. So if you stick that snack, obviously chocolates. And I got cup mix. I saw a YouTuber making cookies with cake mix. I want to try that, so I just got one. And I got a note for myself. I told you, right, I'm working on a planner for myself, so just want to do that. And I got some Clorox for using on white dresses or some cleaning things, that one. And some bowel cleaner. Sometimes if I'm running low, I'll buy from Dollar Tree. It's good, not bad, it's good. And I saw a YouTuber using this for flushing. Instead of putting a round ball inside the drain, that water tank, this one you can just insert it in that. I will try to show all the cleaning supplies. I got 2 for 1, and that's it for mini Dollar Tree haul. And I set up a place for my kid. I already showed you what I got, and I kept a pouch for him so he can have all the necessary things. It's all iPad, notes, a dry erase, for whatever he needs. I kept it in a basket so he doesn't have to run around and search for things. I'll show you what I kept in the pouch. So I kept his crayon and pencils, eraser, scale. I already have that eraser, sharpener, pencil. I have like as if we keep it in the store. I didn't get dry eraser, so I kept him a small towel and a glue stick, dry eraser, or minimum stuffs. So I got him that. So I also gave him a headphone. So because he is using an iPad, I don't have that adapter, so we got that too from where, Five Below. Yeah, Five Below. It's a good deal and it works fine. See, it's a headphone jack, so we can use one side, we can use another iPad charger, and we can charge it. And this is the charger they gave. So all the stuffs goes to the basket. When he's not using, the basket goes down. Whenever he has class, the basket will be on the table, and he will sit facing the wall, so he will not be disturbed. And I kept a water bottle, tissue with this login password, so something goes wrong he can type in and get. And as usual, the school is started. He's in online class now. He's sitting like a statue now. To keep my younger one engaged, what I did is I enrolled him to abcmouse.com, and it's fun. He's literally enjoying for past 2 days, and that's good. I hope you like it. See you all in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.